Why did he run away?
I think he's a thief.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm in danger.
Does he go to work by bus?
No, he has a private car.
Does your dog bite?
Yes, but not always.
Where do you work?
I work at Microsoft.
Why did he quit his job?
Because he will start a business.
Do you know why she's so angry?
Because he is very angry since childhood.
Why did you say such a thing?
Because I'm in fear.
Does Nancy want to have a dog?
Yes, it's his hobby.
Why didn't you call me last night?
Because I fell asleep last night.
Does she like oranges?
Yes, she loves to eat oranges.
Where did you get the pain?
I got neck pain.
Does he live here?
Yes, with her parents.